and welcome in our showroom. Welcome in H Filtration site. We are here today because I would like to introduce to you, to everybody, our new mist collector, the MCOS Mini. And I would like to say thank you to our R&D department because thanks this filter, this mist collector, we can offer to everybody the coalescence filtration and not just like the big brother of this, the MCOS, the solution regarding the coalescence filtration. When we speak about MCOS, we speak about one filter, one unit, very compact. We speak about sorry. There is some. Sorry for that, but there is some problem in our warehouse. Sorry. When we speak about the MCOS, we speak about one mist collector, dimension 400 millimeter, 1.2 meters. The weight is 75 kilograms, so it's very light. We can install this mist collector into different modes. The first one is on top the machine tools, directly on top the roof, and the second one on the ground. In the first solution, so it means the installation on top of the roof, we can recollect the oil recondensate and catched by the mist collector directly to the machine tools. Otherwise, for the second point of view, we collect the oil mist catched inside of the tanks. Inside, there are two steps of filtration. The first one is in the fiberglass filter media mixed with the polyester in the class F9. And the second one, the absolute filter in the fiberglass in class H12, or in case we can upgrade the performance of the filtration. But just in the standard point of view, we can offer the very high performance regarding the quality of the air, because we speak about out of our mist collector concentration less than 1 milligram, not far from 0 milligram cubic meter. We speak about the airflow capacity between 300 cubic meter minimum, 1000 cubic meter maximum. And our blower offers to us 1400 Pascal. The kilowatt installed is 1.1. The absorbed power kilowatt is less, around 0.9. The positive point of view regarding this mist collector is not just one, but there are a lot of positive points. When we speak about, for example, the maintenance point of view, when we speak about the noise point of view, when we speak about the air filtration point of view. But there is something more. I would like to share with you one example in order to show to you the maintenance step. The maintenance step in ordinary approach, because in the daily activity, the people can check every time the performance of the mist collector, because there is this simple LED lamp, and when it's green, the condition of the mist collector is good, otherwise become red, and it means it's the time for the maintenance. In a few minutes, I turn on the blower, and I show you what I told to you right now. Okay. Other point of view I would like to share with you is the possibility to control the mist collector. I suggest to connect the mist collector together with the machine tools in tandem. In this case, when the customer or the end user turn on and turn off the machine tools, they do this in this time also for the mist collectors. Right now, I show to you the maintenance approach. Thanks to these big doors, we can take out and put inside one more time the filter to clean the dirty area and to do the maintenance inside. With any tools, just gloves, just mask and glass, and that's it. I don't need nothing more. Okay. First of all, I would like to show to you the level noise. This is the original noise level, less than 68 dBA. In this step, the LED is green. We can image when it's red. Is the maintenance time. Please check the time because I want to show to you the maintenance time. It will be less than 5 minutes. I turn off the blower. I can open the huge doors. I remove the final filter. I remember fiberglass in H12 class. I take out, I put this because it's full of oil inside of one plastic bag. I remove the other filter, fiberglass mixed with polyester and aluminum blade in order to help the coefficient filtration. I take out, I put to the bag. I check inside, I can clean inside, the supervision inside. I clean the pipe of the manometers. It's done. I can put inside the new filters. I block. I fix the filter inside. I check the seal. I put the new one inside. I can check the airflow direction because otherwise the filter doesn't work well. I close the door. The maintenance is done. It means less than 5 minutes. Somebody, I don't know if somebody checked the timing, please tell me, but it's very the short times. I would like to remark that because for the installation on top of the roof, there are 4 silent blocks in order to reduce some vibration. So it means for the machine tools, there is any conflict between the structure and the mist collectors. That's it. The presentation is done. This is the time for the question. It's the question time, and your questions are welcome. I would like to say to you sorry because during the presentation we met some troubles, some noise, and sorry for that. Any question?
Hello, Saverio.
Ciao.
I have a question about maintenance, period between maintenance. So how long you think this filter will last?
Okay.
200.
Okay. I don't know if I understood well because there is a lot of noise. You speak about maybe the time life of the filter media, is right?
Yes, I asked about time life.
Okay. According to the application, because we speak about a strong application, we can provide the time life 8 hours daily activities, 1 year. In some case, more. In other case, a little bit less. But the media is 8 hour daily working hours. 1 year is the reasonable time.
Okay, because most of customers for MCOS has 24/7, so they are working all the time, around the clock.
Okay.
In such a heavy duty application, how long do you have?
Okay, thanks to our experience, we can provide
Nici traži kasicu pa ti šalj. Dva ću ti u stvari za mail. Ili na elektromarkića. Ajde, važi, ajde, ciao.
Sorry, switch off the microphone because otherwise it's not easy to understand to reply. Sorry, I come back. Thanks to our experience, we can provide 1 year, the lifetime of the filter media, also 24 hours in continuous. This is important. It's very important to catch all technical data in order to understand and to suggest the right application and also the right optional, like something to pre-drainage the condensate, the oil, before to go inside of the mist collector, or something like this. But in the standard application, I mean with the right installation and in the right condition, we can provide also for 24 hours, 1 year, the time life of the filter media.
Potem jest 3 miesiące, to masz też w sprawach negocjacyjnych, nie? To ci też podpowiadam. 3 miesiące możemy dać takiej gwarancji.
Other question?
I te 3 miesiące tam kosztują.
There are some questions in the chat. So Mr. Stupning asks us how does the cleaning of the filter work and if they are reusable and whether we calculated the cost about the cleaning of the filters.
Okay. Also, there is a noise. I try to understand your question about the cost. The running cost compare one standard unit is less because the time life of the filter unit is too long. It's too much compare the mechanical filtration. And the second question I don't understand because somebody have the microphone on and I have the return noise and it's quite impossible to understand everybody. Please turn on the microphone because for me it's quite impossible to reply. I don't understand. There is a lot of noise. Switch on, please, the microphone.
Another question was whether the filters are reusable or not.
No. When the filter is full, it's full. You must to replace. It's not possible to clean, to wash. No, you must to replace.
Then there are some other questions, like for instance, whether the filter is for oils or also for solubles or emulsion.
The massive application still for oil and fume, but you can use also for other like emulsion, and the time life in this case is longer compare the application with oil and fume because the roast condition is oil, mist, and smoke and fume. the level of the application with the emulsion is not heavy for us, but is soft, and you can use this mist collector, this technology also for the emulsion. The result is positive because the time life of the filter media is longer compared the oil mist application with oil and smoke. Yes, you can.
There are other questions the efficiency class of the two filters, the first stage and the second one.
Okay, the second one in the standard version is class 12, but we can add this performance in order to satisfy other requests. But in the standard is class 12. The first one is wrong, speak about the efficiently, because we don't speak like a mechanical filtration point of view, but a coalition. But in any case, we can provide certificate of this, and the filter is in class F9. So it means the first level, class F9, the second one, the final filtration in the standard version in class F12.
Another question is, what are the benefits of the MCOS Mini compared to the clean mist?
Okay, is another solution, another point of view. The goal is done for the MCOS in a very strong and heavy application, and the plus compare the clean mist in this kind of situation is the running cost, because thanks the centrifugal filtration point of view, we can stop the aerosol, the fog, the drops, but we can stop the smoke, the white smoke, thanks the cartridges over the clean mist. But in this case, we speak about the mechanical filtration. So it means hour by hour, the cartridges become clogged, and you must to replace that. And the timing, compare the filter element inside of the mist collector, is completely different. In the MCOS, the technology, the base of the filtration, still the coalition is not a mechanical. For this reason, the time life of the filtration steps is longer compared to the mechanical filtration concept. So the difference is not the final result regarding the performance of filtration, but still in the running cost. Compare the MCOS and the clean mist, who win regarding the running cost and the time life? The MCOS, sure. The clean mist still one very good technology, but they have some limits regarding the time life of the point of view of the time life of the cartridges on top the clean mist.
I tam mówi, że tam w ciągu 10 minut jesteście w stanie to zrobić, bo to było potwierdzone.
Other question?
Yes, there are other questions,
Musimy być pewni co do...
But this filter is okay with it is right to be used with a CNC machine with a chamber volume of around 3 cubic meters.
Sorry, you can repeat because there is somebody still with the microphone, and I heard a lot of words, noise. I don't know if are you alone or there is something else in your office, because there is a noise. Please try to explain to me one more time the question.
The question is whether this filter is suitable to be used with a CNC machine with a chamber volume of around 3 cubic meter.
Okay, I understood. So we can use this, the capacity is 3,000 cubic meter minimum, 300 cubic meter minimum, up to 1,000. According to the volume, we can connect this miscollector with one machine tools or maximum 2. It depends also the quantity of the film. Thanks to our experience, I can suggest, I try to explain with some example, with the machine tools like star, submicronic stars or Biglia. The volume is not huge. We speak about around 1 cubic meter. We can provide one miscollector for 2 machine tools. After that, the miscollector MCOS Mini is just for 1. It's okay?
So, yes, our friend Stuart asked whether the units can already be offered to the market from today, and what would the delivery time be?
Okay, the production is already started, so we are ready to deliver the unit. The standard delivery is like the rest of our range of products. It means that we can provide the miscollector in minimum 2 weeks, maximum 4 weeks, according to the capacity of the production, the in order received, and also the quantity request. But the media is between 2 and 4 weeks.
And the last question we've received for now is whether the filter can be placed outside the facility.
This is according to the local rules. The goal for this approach is to recycling the air after the miscollector inside of the facility. But in case we have the pressure enough to satisfy the request to reblow outside. But my personal point of view, we save money when we recycling the air inside. But in case it's not possible or the customer asks us to blow outside of the facility, we can. Other question? Other question? The position is just this. There are 2 points of view, or on top of the roof like this, or on the ground, but just in this position. We can't move or change the position. No. The correct view is that.
Yes, there is another question. So Stuart asked us if we wanted to change the capacity from CM1000 to CM500, is this something we can do locally, or do we have to?
Yeah. In phase the order. We know we must know that because we change some details like the suction hole and the diameter. That's it. According to that, we can satisfy the request, the airflow between 300 cubic meters to 1,000. And some details regarding the impeller. That's it.
And then they ask us whether you can repeat the dimensions of the unit.
500 deep, 1.2 meters. 75 kilograms is the weight.
Someone asked about the price of the unit.
Okay, this is, you asked me the price, right?
Yes.
Okay, we send to everybody the price list and the commercial condition. Please send us the request and we will send to you the price list. Thanks your directly contact.
Okay, so there is one question regarding the class of the filter because they couldn't hear it previously. If you can repeat the class, the efficiency class of the two filtration HF.
F9, the first step, and the second one is class 12, 1, 2. But in the standard point of view. After that, just for the last step of filtration, we can add with something more. But 12 is enough. Other questions? Okay, so I would like to say to everybody, thank you to join us. Sorry for some mistakes, but it's not easy to do this in real time. And thank you very much. We are waiting to you if you need more information about the MCOS or other products. Please contact your directly contact. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Try to be HF. Bye-bye. Ciao.
Thank you.
Ciao to
Thank
everyone.
you.
Ciao, ciao.
Everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.